Hi guys, I'm Cody Jay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is another mini swatch video and I'm going to be swatching the PUR X RawBeautyKristi double-sided pressed pigment eyeshadow palette. So if you'd like to see me swatch all 18 of these gorgeous shadows, keep on watching. Okay guys, before we get started real quick, if you have not already subscribed to my YouTube channel and you would like to do so now, please click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you get this video a like. So I'm going to be starting off with this neutral side of the palette because it's just the more toned down side, and then we'll jump to the other side, which is just the fun colors. I just want you to see the shadow names real quick before I start swatching them because I will tell you what they are as I swatch them. Alrighty, first off we have Camelot, then we have Copper Boxes, and then we have Bee. Look how pigmented those are. Next we have It Just Does. Wow. Golden Ticket. And Told You. And finally for this neutral side we have My Whole Heart. We have Moo Point. And we have You're Not My Real Dad. Because you're not my real dad. And again, here's all 9 of the neutral side. Alrighty, up next we're going to be swatching the more colorful side. So let's jump right into these 9 beautiful colorful shades. Alrighty, first up we have Flavor Town. Gosh, these are insanely pigmented. Then we have Am I Orange? Then we have Dandelion. Now we have Garden State, which is one of my absolute favorite colors. We have Cafe Disco. And we have Hurtful. Now last but not least, we have Tribute, we have Side Effect, and we have Lumos, which is an awesome Harry Potter reference. And that is all 9 of the colorful side of the double pressed pigment palette. So that is all 18 of these beautiful shadows swatched from PUR X RawBeautyKristi. If you enjoyed today's little mini swatch video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up down below and click that subscribe button if you have not already. Also, if you'd like to watch a full-length review of this palette where I create 2 completely different looks, make sure you check out the video linked below. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.